Today, we are breaking down a big announcement impacting GTA real estate, the HST rebate changes. If you're a buyer, investors, or thinking about pre-constructions, this could directly affect your money. What is the HST rebate in simple terms?
Well, HST rebate is a government refund on the tax paid when buying new construction, and whether it's a house or condominium, whatever, and it's like a pre-construction actually. Somebody call it pre-con. So HST the total HST is 13%, by the way. So suppose if $1 million property and it's a million, $130,000. But the exact calculation, I can tell you the exact calculation is less than that, and we can always talk about it, and whenever you're going to call me or you meet me. But HST is 13%. The portion of this rebate is back to the buyers. Okay, this is very important. Things happening, and especially in these days. Government of Ontario giving this incentive to the builders, to the buyers. They are just simply eliminating the HST part. So in that way, the cost is gonna be less, by the way.
What did Premier Doug Ford actually announced?
So basically, what Ontario government have just announced, is great news for the buyers, for the builders, like I mentioned earlier, and is making housing more affordable, and especially for the first-time home buyer and new construction buyers. And the key ideas is increased the access or flexibility to the HST rebates and help reduce upfront cost to the upfront cost of the burden. That's very important.
Why is this important for GTA buyers?
So because HST is a huge cost in pre-construction. So for example, $800,000 condo, so HST is equal to $104,000. Well, with rebate, buyers may save almost a ton of thousands of dollars, directly impact. This is very important, and affordability again is the mortgage qualification. You can qualify easily now, and the closing cost is very important. That closing cost is almost nightmare, by the way, for the pre-construction. So that's because of the HST rebate. The closing cost is going to be amazing for the new first-time home buyer.
Okay, so how does this affect investors?
So for investors, is already qualifying for the HST rebate if they rent the property, but many investors face cash flow issues on the upfront, because for the rental property is not allowed. The incentive was not actually available for the investors. But now, because even though it's investors, it's kind of a very flexibility and easy for the investors in these days. And if rules improve, and so easier qualification and faster rebate processing and less financial pressure at the time of closing.
So will this increase home prices?
Well, potentially yes. Why? Lower cost equal to more buyers, going to be entering into the market, and more demand mean upward pressure on the prices. And but in today's market, in 2026, right, we are still in the recovery mode, recovery phases. So impact maybe stabilization first, then gradually the price will increase. But yeah, don't wait till price go up.
Who benefits the most?
So biggest winner is first-time buyers, pre-construction buyers, condo investors, especially in the GTA, where the affordability is a major issue. Condo market is currently absolutely badly impacted. So it's great, amazing opportunity for those buyers, and people are waiting for that. And this is a great opportunity.
Should buyers act now or wait?
So smart buyers, they don't wait. They act immediately or as soon as possible before the incentives, fully hit the market. Why? Less, competition at this time for the buyers. So today is better negotiation, opportunity, and prices still existed from the peak, right? And once the incentive kick in and demand increase, and you can imagine a lot of buyers you will see in the market soon, and deals become the harder and harder and harder. So just act as soon as possible. So this is just amazing takeaway for you, by the way. Great, it's kind of my suggestion. HST rebate, it changes are not just the tax saving. They are a signal for you. Okay, this is a great signal from the government when the government steps into to boost the affordability for the buyers, for the first-time home buyers, and for the I don't want to say the investors, but it's kind of great opportunity for everybody. It usually means one thing. The market is preparing for the next move, by the way. So you just move as soon as possible.
Reach out to Team Aman. He will help you to structure the deal the right way and maximize every rebate available.